At Granbury Carpet Cleaning, this is one of the first steps that we take in cleaning your rug at the shop. So what we have here are these metal grates with the rug face down, so the top of the rug is actually facing the floor. And we're going to use this magic machine right here. It is a rug duster, and it creates a sonic wave that makes the dust fall down. You see little straps down there. I know, it seems like it might be a little aggressive, but I promise it's not going to hurt your rug. But that machine makes all the dust fall from the backing of the carpet all the way down to the concrete floor. And when we are done with this process, we'll roll the grates up and show you the results. Now, let's see what we have under the grates. You can already see it. All that brown right there, that is dust. All right. Kenny's gonna flip this grate back. That is incredible. Look at how thick that is. So, he's gonna grab this little squeegee right here. We're just gonna scrape up a little pile so you can see it a little better. Normally we use a broom, but I think the squeegee's gonna work fine. Yeah, you might have to go backwards with it. All right. Look at this. Guys, we can't do this at your home. We can't get all this dust out. No matter how hard we try or anyone tries, you're never gonna get all this dirt out of your rug without using the little dust buster over there. But that's just one side. Look at that. Can you put your foot down there so you get an idea of how big of a pile that is?
Size 12.
That's a size 12. Look at this. I'm trying to get down as low as I can. Look at that. And there's still one whole other side, and there's some on the floor still that we couldn't get up. All right, we're going for round 2 here. We're gonna see if we can get any more dust out of this thing. This rug's really flexible. We'll be right back with more dust. Okay, this is after round 2. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot more dirt in there. So we're just gonna go ahead and flip that back down, and we're gonna hit it a couple more times. It's gonna be a little loud. We've got air movers blowing air out. It was getting dusty. Anyway. That is a lot of dirt. I think we're gonna stop right there and we're gonna start cleaning this dude. So here we are, we're sweeping it up. It's just one side. Think the broom works better? All right, we'll grab the broom and sweep it over to that other pile. Look at that. All of that so far, and we still have this side. I'll show you that in a second. Look at this.
That one blew out the door.
Yeah, I'm sure a lot did blow out the door. All right, and here's the other side. Kenny, how many times do you think we went over that? Probably 6 or so? Or I don't even think it was that much, really.
4.
Yeah. Guys, that's a lot of dirt. Like I said, there's just no way. When we're at your house cleaning your rugs, it's just a kind of a basic clean, like when we clean your carpet. But this is a hardcore cleaning. But yeah, bring all that out so we can get a look at it.
pounds.
Camera's not gonna do this justice. I mean, this is just,
A couple pounds.
yeah, that's, I wish we had some, should have brought my scales. We can weigh it out next time. All right, so we have the grates pulled up, got the carpet right side up so that the fibers are facing up. And now we're gonna vacuum the top just to try to pull out any more loose fibers that might be stuck, or loose particles that are stuck in the fibers. But the next step, we're gonna start cleaning. And we're getting ready to clean it now. So we got it laid out on plastic and we'll get to the video. So I almost forgot to video this part. This is, right now I'm putting down the pet treatment product. So this carpet pretty much had it everywhere. So we're just putting it everywhere. All right, so now we got the pet treatment down. So what we want to do is we want to saturate this rug as much as possible. And I'm talking all the way down to the back. And then we're gonna use the CRV machine, counter rotating brush machine, to really mix this pet treatment into the rug. And this product is what eliminates the pet odor. Hopefully you can hear me. But this product eliminates the ammonia smell. So the next step after this is to scrub it all in, let it set for a few minutes. And then we're going to go with the actual cleaning process. All right, you can cut. So now we are scrubbing the pet treatment in. The rug is really wet, you can see. We have water pouring off the front here. That's what we're looking for. So we're just gonna scrub this really good. Get that product really deep down into the fibers. Look at that. You already see a little bit of nastiness coming out. So we're gonna run this horizontal, vertical, longitude, latitude, diagonal. Really scrub it in, let it set for a few minutes, and then we'll start the cleaning process. All right, sorry for the highway noise. This is the actual cleaner. So right now we have the pet treatment soaking. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna scrub this in, get it all over the fibers. The rug looks amazing already. I can tell most of the stains are gone. I don't even know if we get a, I don't even know if we got a before picture.
I don't think so.
We got the back of it. Anyway, so we're gonna scrub this in. Oh, I can smell a little bit of urine. A little bit of wool. Oh, by the way, this is a wool rug. So here we are. This is actually the cleaning process. And we have other ways of doing these rugs also. It's just how we're doing this one today. So just like with the pet treatment, we're going to scrub the entire rug, north, south, east, and west. Maybe diagonal if it needs it. All right, so now we have finished the scrubbing with the cleaning solution. And we're going to saturate this rug. I'm talking, again, all the way to the backing. And then we're going to actually squeegee this rug and try to just get as much of this urine and stains out that we can. Basically, our goal is to push the contaminants off of the rug, and then we're going to use the truck mounted steam cleaning system to finish it out. But we'll get right back. All right, so now we're going to squeegee the rug. If I can zoom out a little. Can't really tell, but that's in the camera, but that is nasty. Oh yeah. At this stage, still had a little bit of a urine smell, so I put another product on there, and this one is to just kind of freshen it up, and it's a bit of an oxidizer, but smells really good. It has a scent called Sweet Breeze. Everybody loves it. but it is a pet treatment product, so we're gonna let this set for about 10 minutes and then we're going to squeegee it off. So we are on the final stage of the hardcore cleaning. The next step after this is basically we're going to steam clean this and we're going to hang it up on a rug. So as you can see right now, there's hardly any yellow left in this. And as I said earlier, we've got a product on here that has a beautiful smell. Hopefully that's going to stay in there. But we'll get you a picture or a video of it going up on the drying racks in just a minute. And now we are getting ready to do the steam cleaning process. All right, here we go. And this is a wool rug, so we're not using hot heat. In fact, I believe we're just gonna do a cool water rinse on it. I don't like to use heat on natural fibers most of the time. See, what are we looking at here? Clear. Nice. And here it is, the final product. Fresh, clean smelling, and very clean. No more urine.